Hello everyone, welcome to IndianMoney.com. I'm Natalia. WhatsApp has finally launched their payment facilities in India. So now you can send and receive payment like any other UPI apps like Paytm or Google Pay or Phone Pay. Just like that, you can pay and receive money using WhatsApp. And to use this WhatsApp payment facility, all you will need is a bank account and a debit card. And make sure that this bank account is associated with your PAN card, which is linked to a number. So all this you have to make sure. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can activate the payments option in your WhatsApp application and how you can actually use it. Now, the first thing you need to do is open your WhatsApp application, and on the top right corner, you will see the three dots. So you have to click on the three dots and you will get a payments option. And when you click on the payments option, you will get a new window where it will ask you to add a payment method. And then it will show you a bunch of bank names. So you have to pick the bank name with the bank account which you have, which is associated with a number. You have to be very careful there. You need a bank account which is associated with a number. So just like how you register with a Paytm or other phone pay apps, you have to register the same way in WhatsApp application as well. So after you add your application, all you have to do is go to your friend's contact. For example, say you have a friend and you want to send him some money. So go over to that person's conversation. And then when you click on the small attach icon, it will give you the option of payments. So there you can click on it and you can send them money. But again, the other person you're sending money to, even that person should have WhatsApp payment facilities installed. That is, if you don't have the WhatsApp payment facilities, make sure that you first go to the Play Store or App Store and first upgrade your WhatsApp application. And once it's upgraded, you will get the payment facility too. Now, after adding your bank account to your WhatsApp payment system, all you have to do is set a UPI PIN. And if you already have a PIN, then you don't need to worry. It'll directly ask you for the PIN. But if you don't have one, you can set one using your debit card number. So you have to type in your last 6 digits of your debit card and a few other information, and you can set your own UPI PIN. So once you upgraded and activated your WhatsApp payment facility in your mobile phone, all you have to do is start sending money and start receiving money just like how you use a phone pay or a Paytm or any other app. And not just that, using this WhatsApp payment facility, you can also send money to other UPI applications as well. For example, you can send money from WhatsApp to phone pay or WhatsApp to Paytm or WhatsApp to Google Pay. So even this kind of facility is available with the WhatsApp payment facility. So go over to your WhatsApp application right now and activate your WhatsApp payment facility. But do not worry, if you don't have that facility, just head over to the Play Store or the App Store and download it immediately. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video and if you want to learn more about how to start a business or how to invest or how to earn a lot of money or how to save money, then click the link in the description box below and download the Financial Freedom app and start your journey towards becoming rich. And if you like this video, then hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when we post a new video. I'm Natalia and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com.